Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Nisha, of course. Today is Patois Day. Yes, I'm gonna look at the history again about Jamaica. Jamaica was emancipated in August 1, 1838. And see the ackee and saltfish, our national dish. No, where ya prima for? Where ya prima for? So from Patois to English, awa. Yes, quite frankly, a lot of people in Jamaica, if you stare at them too much or for too long, awa, awa. And the English for that is, why are you looking at me? Or you can say, why are you looking at me like that? Why are you? Okay, and for number 2 now, where y'all look pa me for? Where y'all look pa me for? Where y'all look pa me for? Or depending on where we sit in Jamaica, it depends. You know, Jamaican we're full of expression, and it simple means, why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me like that? Why? Some might say, what's wrong? Number 3, who you dey look pan? Who you dey look pan? Take a pic, man. Yeah, better take a pic. You last longer. Yes, we Jamaicans can be like that.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
So the English word is, why are you looking at me? Why are you staring at me? Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you staring at me like that? But in Jamaica, yeah, we not like it staring at all. Number 4, where they pre? Where ya pre me for? Or some say what the pre? Yeah, where ya look for me for? Awa. Yeah, in Jamaica, as me say, expression and the attitude thing, we got it. Yes, but you don't know say I say things set, right? Because we they learn Patois. And in English means, why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me? Okay, guys, I know you must enjoy the video. Come and enjoy doing it now. And yes, we have come to the final of another fun Patois video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank Uno for watching. Until next time, Thursday at 6. Yes, this Thursday at 6 p.m. Come support me live. Bye.